Joe Clark. You forget it starts on the fourth fret, not the third, not the second.
I keep doing the same thing.
I love you, Pat. You are awesome. I love the fact you're just having fun with it. You make mistakes, you laugh, it don't matter. It sounds beautiful anyway.
First time I came over, Mr. Pete played the banjo for me in the garage. They brought you the advice?
Yes, I did. If you come around here, you just got to live with banjo.
Oh, I love it.
That's
What are you
just,
talking
I
about?
grew up listening to it, the banjo.
you did?
Yeah, my grandparents
And you're
all, they
still
played.
normal?
You know, in
Oh,
Alabama,
that's
they
why
sit
she's
on
hanging
their-
around with me, because she's not normal either.
That'll do it to you.
I thought we were normal. I thought everybody else was different.
Oh, okay. Maybe that's it.
You know? Oh, I mean, yes.
Well, we're not the new normal. Let's put it
Are you
that way.
Well,
quitting?
I would tell you, my dad would break out
Are you
spoons.
quitting?
That's about all I know.
All right.
They were breaking out the spoons and
It's up to
playing
you now,
spoons
honey.
and the banjos and
Dennis taught you that.
was it Dennis? Oh, he was good at it too. Oh, they played that. Well, I'm talking all the time. They started jamming. Maybe like 6 of them playing the spoons. And then Frank wanted to know what happened to all the spoons. I was like, yeah, they all spent like $500 a piece in here, and yeah, we buy more silverware.
I could show you my Psaltry.
Bring it. Bring
See,
it,
he
Mama.
sings on the YouTube all the time.
Bring it, Mama. Bring it.
Him and Waylon Wire and I remember a couple other guys. They get together. Each of them sends in a piece, and they put it all together.
Some of these guys are dead now. You know, Dead Eye Dan used to be in that.
Yeah.
Waylon
When
Wire
he
had a
walked up
buddy out
here
there.
and
He
she was
died.
playing and he started
I could
singing,
do I Fly
I turned
Away.
and looked, I was like,
Yeah.
I don't know
like
if we
he
did
can
it on
sing.
this one or not, though.
I said, but they'll all get together and they'll all sing and play, and then they combine it, and man, it's good.
We did it on the big
Oh
one.
no.
Is this one near in tune? Anywhere close to it?
We're gonna find out.
Hmm?
I just love you.
Well, what do they call this?
Bowed Psaltry.
I-
P-S-A-L-T-R-Y.
Huh? What was
I
the first
can't
word?
play.
Bow?
Bowed. Like a
Bowed.
bow?
Like
You're
B-O-W.
playing it with a bow?
Yeah.
Oh, bow.
That is a very neat
Fantastic.
instrument.
It's
Yes,
awesome.
I'm gonna research that.
And where is that from?
I've never seen
It's the
one.
book of Psalms in the Bible.
No, the instrument itself. I'm talking about.
I don't know who made that particular
This-
No, I mean, what the
This
original,
you can
the
get
origin
song
of it.
in the
books
Bible. If you
for
look
this
up
because
in the
you've got
Bible, you
all
look
the
up
notes with
Psaltry
the
and
letters
you'll
right
hear
here. You
Right.
can get
Bible
song
verses that say,
books
How long
that
play
you
the,
had
have
this?
the
play the
note
tambourine,
and
the drums, the
letter
psaltery, and the
underneath
harp. That's how old it is.
I was,
It's all
I was,
strings.
yeah, I was looking to see if that
Wow.
is that a hole there.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's a sound hole.
Well, because it looks like a note. That's what I
Yes.
was. Okay, yeah, I got you. That I've never seen one or heard of it. That is a very interesting.
Oh, wow. Listen to that.
Oh, I want one of those, Dave. I don't mean like that, because you'll go by me if I say something. But I think those are really cool. How long have you had that one?
I bought this one actually when we were on our RV trip in West Virginia. I had seen on YouTube this couple that make these. I've forgotten his name. Her name is Tish Waterman. And we stopped at this. We're going on through West Virginia. There's been all these signs about tamarack, 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 tamarack. We're like, what the heck is tamarack? Finally saw the signs for us. Well, we gotta pull off and find out what this is. Well, it's a huge, it's like a rest area, but it's a huge vendor place.
Right.
Huge. And there was Psaltries made by the Watermans, and she was actually there playing with a group at one point. It was after I'd bought she actually tuned it for me, and she said, "Oh, come play with our group." I'm like, I haven't played in a long time. So she had a group playing there.
He says in the Bible, that's how old they are.
And I get that. So I'm going to ask people that I know, and then
Wow, what a sound.
yeah.
Mm.
Isn't that pretty?
It is,
Oh, I
yeah.
heard that one.
I had the
Oh,
chills
man,
going back.
yeah.
I don't know how you remember how to play all these different things. I get lost.
Well, you remember words.
Every voice prepare for a move, and heaven and nature sing, heaven and nature sing, and heaven nature sing.
Wow, that's beautiful.
I have a really big one that I'm sure really needs to be tuned, but it's like a bass one, and it's like three times the
How
size
do
of
you
this.
tune those ones?
Huh?
How do you tune those ones? I know I see the
You
wires.
turn the things
Do
on
you
the
use
end
these
of it.
in? And this is where you tune it at?
Huh?
Do you use these things to tune it, or
Yes.
you do it?
No,
okay.
no, down
These
here.
here. Okay.
Down here.
Yeah.
Turn it and tighten it.
That is like a really cool little instrument. I'm like,
This anyone can play if you
have a
have.
book, because you were telling me like you got the papers there that tell you the keys.
Right.
And
Right.
wow,
Yeah.
I might learn how to play an instrument just yet. I think I could probably do that one, Dave.
I don't know.
I mean, playing
You
the
probably could. I couldn't.
banjos and guitars, my arthritis wouldn't let me do, but I think I could do that.
You could.
Yeah, that is. I'm really going to look into that.
Yeah.
I'm like totally impressed with that.
I
Thanks for sharing
bought
that.
a lot of my first instruments off eBay.
Yeah.
And then as I watched
So
more
how
and
do you
more
play the
YouTube
dash
videos,
How do you play the dash hand? Very carefully.
but
He'll let you know how to play it. Right?
Mm-hmm.
I got so I was playing with there was one song I used two bows. It was my big one, and I had two bows going. It was like pretty awesome.
Oh,
Wow.
I bet that was cool.
It was. That was like
I
Ave
love the
Maria.
fact that y'all play different instruments, you know, and just have a good time out of it. I mean, like I told him, my dad couldn't really. My dad played the trumpets. He did some horns. But somebody taught him how to play the spoons, and we had people playing banjos, and I mean, we'd have some little hoedowns, and I'm gonna tell you, we had some really good times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I always enjoy listening to Mr. Peek and Pat playing. I've heard her play one time before.
I'm in awe of that.
So Dead-Eye Dan, where did he live?
He lived up in Maine, close to me, just about a half hour from where I did.
Maine's a beautiful country.
They have that S word up there. Right?
What's the S word?
Rhymes with O,
Yeah.
white and fluffy.
Yeah, we don't speak of it. S word rhymes with O. It's white and fluffy. We don't speak of it down here. White?
Yeah, we don't talk about that. Oh, no,
Shovel it.
I got you now.
And plow it.
Yeah, that stuff that melts and makes nasty messes, and oh, yeah, I know about that. Hi, Mr. Charlie. You staying warm, buddy?
He's all shivery. He gets that
Hey,
way.
buddy. What's up, Mr.
He's
Charlie?
old man.
That's all right. I like how you wrap him up in
Thank
his
you.
little blanket and take care of Thanks for sharing me that, because I'm really going to research that. I'm into that.